Hey guys, it's Nina here. I recently bought a new sewing machine and I'm really into making small things. So I'm going to share with you today how to make a scrunchie in this video. I'm using an old 50 by 50 centimeters bandana that I haven't used for a long time. First of all, we're gonna fold the fabric and cut into half. So we have two pieces of 25 by 50. Now cut one of the half into 20 by 25 and stitch it with another half of the fabric. So the fabric of today's scrunchie would be around 25 by 70 centimeters. Next, we're gonna stitch the short ends right sides together with 1 centimeter seam allowance. Align the top edges together and roll it up as skinny as you could. Then sew the bottom edges, make sure the seams are matching. Stitch as far as you can and put the inside fabric out as much as possible. Continue stitching and pulling to the end. But I will leave 2 centimeters opening, so we're going to use this opening to put the fabric inside out later. Then prepare an elastic band that is about the same length as the circumference as your wrist. Put safety pins on the end of the rubber band and insert the rubber band into the scrunchie. Bring the end of the rubber band together, pull the knot twice and make sure they're nice and tight. Then find the opening, pull all the fabric right side out. Last but not least, stitch the opening close to finish it. Okay, voila, a scrunchie is done. Super easy, right? I'm also going to show you 2 scrunchie hairstyle I like to wear in the remaining video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you next time. Bye!